These are two things. Stupidly, I'm most excited about this. Radiator overflow, it's not broken. The other one's falling apart. And it's a new washer bottle, same thing. The old one's falling apart, this one's not. I'm most happy about this because the one under the hood of the Cadillac is all chewed up and just sun damaged. So I'm going to put that guy in tonight before we head back to town. This is meant to look like this, so I'm very excited to be installing that finally. Getting rid of this manky looking thing. Yeah, so this thing was so rotten, it fell apart while I was pulling it out. Whoops. That's the back. It covers up that. Just as well it's over this plastic fender liner. But there we go. That's it with the new one in there. Ooh. So I feel like that's the last of the previous owner's stuff. So I've replaced both of the tanks now and fixed the radiator. So this guy's running great. Probably the thing I'm most excited about is replacing this lump of a 307 with hopefully a rather sprightly 350, but we'll see. It all comes down to money and time. This is the complete door wiring harness with all of the switches. I don't actually need all of the switches, but I wanted the harness so that I could see where all of the connections go, because I want to diagnose what's going on with my door switch. What else did I grab? Wiper. So that's the wiper box, just in case that's why the wipers act a bit goofy. Now on the subject of things that took way too long to get done. Look at this. Whoop, see? Switch. Wow. Works on the driver's side. The wires were broken in here, so I just had to run fresh wire through, but I also blew out the body fuse in the process. I grabbed this too, and I grabbed this because I grabbed this. So this is the ride height level sensor, and I'm not sure if this is actually the problem with the airbag system. If it is and it fixes it, that's great. And if it is not this and that doesn't fix it, then I'm giving up on that as an idea. There's a blanking panel in the center console where this would mount into, and the cool thing is it's a two-way momentary switch, so I could use this to activate the compressor and activate the purge on the compressor. The air compressor. I have just finished rigging this guy up. It's been rewired. I ran some extra wires to go around to this. Oh, you can't see that. This is an electric. You just can't see it. Come on. Nope, not enough light. The airbag compressor does work. The auto switch in the back doesn't work. So I actually picked up this switch at a wrecking yard, and this is an auto antenna up. So it's for the electric antennas on another model. It's been rigged into the air compressor to replace that auto switch, so now we can actually pump the airbags up right from the cab and not use that old Schrader valve anymore. I'll set this, and it's going to go at ride height and hopefully pump itself up. Rad, that totally works. I'm so happy about that. Now I don't need to unplug the, I don't need to open the hood and mess around hooking up a air compressor and stuff and making it look like the car's a huge piece of junk where I'm constantly living under here. Except I'm hearing a big old air leak right there. So I guess now I need to fix that. But aside from that, it's working. I almost forgot these guys. So this is my collection of junkyard find Cadillac badges. So that's, what is that out of? I don't know, Fleetwood? Or maybe that is. Oh. Well, anyway, those are horn pads from Seville, Coupe de Ville, d'Elegance, from Fleetwood. This is broken, but it's a trunk. That's out of the center of the Coupe de Ville that these badges came off. That's off a, what was it, an SR4, SRX, whatever. These are off an Oldsmobile, but I quite liked them.